Welcome to the Crossroads of America. Welcome to Indiana. A busy mom hauling a few kids to soccer or dance. It may not be what you have in mind when you hear the word crossroads, but think about it. These young people and the places they go represent the future of Indiana. Today, they ride. Tomorrow, they will drive on the crossroads of our state. Before they even get their learner's permit, they will log 3,744 miles just to and from practice over 3 years. Add in trips to and from school, drives to grandma and grandpa's, church, or shopping. Now, consider the number of kids that play youth sports in this state. We literally meet each other coming and going on the crossroads of our daily lives, which makes the roads and bridges of Indiana some of our most important assets. This is where it starts. Most people don't think about our roads when they pass one of the 240 rock quarries or sand and gravel operations in our state. They may not understand why these locations matter or what a critical resource they provide to construct highways and bridges. Airport runways, homes and hospitals. They even supply critical minerals to the agricultural and energy industries. A critical link in the chain that provides food for your family and power to turn on the lights. Here's an interesting fact. Indiana is blessed with some of the best rock resources in the United States. That stone, also known as aggregate, is what comprises a large part of the highway you're driving on and makes your ride so smooth, safe, and satisfying in the first place. From mining to processing to engineering, manufacturing, sales, and service, the Indiana aggregate industry employs over 3,203 people in our state alone. It is an industry where jobs are plenteous, wages and benefits are excellent, and opportunities are almost unlimited. The aggregate industry is a supporter of families, ingenuity, and progressive safety practices. People who start in this industry have a tendency to stay. But it's also an industry where technology continues to evolve and expand. Every day, some of the brightest engineering minds in Indiana are working to turn that 20-year road into a 50-year road, resulting in greater value to taxpayers. Construction engineers are designing safer roads using aggregate that can better withstand Indiana's summers and winters. Aggregate is also engineered specifically for applications such as building homes and hospitals and preparing sites for new development. And they do so by constantly making new connections between technology and our natural resources. And who benefits? Well, the people of our beautiful state. And of course, those who are just passing through. Who's not for leaving a good impression? Through the years, the Indiana mining industry has also taken on the role of conservationists. The resources that help build our roads must come from the ground. Rock is extracted before being processed and sized. The material is then railed, trucked, or shipped. This is just a fact. The question is, what happens next? Many retired quarries, as well as sand and gravel operations, become lakes used for fishing and camping. Some have even been transitioned into state parks. Even more, in conjunction with their local communities, become popular recreational areas. And, you guessed it, soccer fields. Why is that important? Because our employees live here too. And, like you, many of them have kids who play sports and go see their relatives across the state. Many go to church, and they all go to school, and dream of one day driving across these crossroads of America.